Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? I'm going to show you how you can cut the side of a shirt to make a curved angle like that. Cool, side curved cut. Here we go. So here's our shirt, and then we're going to grab the center part of the shirt and the back center, and then we're going to flip it on its side like that. And you can line up the armholes. So once you have your shirt laid out with a fold up the center back of the shirt and the center front of the shirt, and you're just going to want to smooth out the bottom of the shirt where we're going to cut. So now you can go in with a good pair of fabric scissors. Start about 2 hands width from the back. So 1, 2, you're going to start around here, and we're going to cut up towards that side seam of the shirt, but we're going to cut in a curve like this. So just curve it until you get to the side or down from the shoulder seam. You can see the armpit of the shirt here and this fold down the side. So that's where you're going to stop cutting. So once you have this part cut, we're going to start over here on the other side, about 2 hands from the front. And we're again cutting through both layers of t-shirt at the same time so that it's even on both sides. And we're cutting from the bottom up in another curve towards the top of our cut. So again, we're just going in like this, cutting up with a bit of a curve until you get to the top like that. So you can pull that fabric away, and now you want to tug on this fabric so it curls in a bit and looks a bit better. So now we'll try it on and see what it looks like. This is what it looks like when it's all done. So it's just a cool slit up the side, and the fact that it's cut on a curve is really flattering. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.